Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn Real English podcast. I'm Mia, and today we have Dr. James with us. Hi, James.
Hi, Mia. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here again.
So, today's episode is all about English at the doctor's office. Imagine you're traveling, studying abroad, or even living in an English-speaking country. You'll need to explain your health problems in English. That can feel stressful, but don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to do it naturally.
Exactly. We'll go step by step, starting with checking in at the clinic, then talking to the doctor, explaining symptoms, getting a prescription, and even asking about follow-ups.
Let's start with the receptionist part. When you arrive at the clinic, you might say, "Hi, I have an appointment with Dr. James at 10 o'clock.
And if you don't have an appointment, you can say, "Hi, I'd like to see a doctor. Do you accept walk-ins?"
Good word there. Walk in. That means you arrive without an appointment.
Right. And the receptionist may reply, "Sure, please fill out this form," or "Please take a seat. The doctor will see you soon."
Now, let's role play a real visit. I'll be the patient, and James, you'll be the doctor.
Okay, let's go.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. How are you today? What brings you in?
Notice that phrase, what brings you in? It's just another way to ask, why are you here today?
Yes, and the patient might say, "I've been having a headache for 3 days," or "I don't feel well. I feel dizzy."
Let's give a few more examples of common symptoms. I have a sore throat. I've been coughing a lot. My stomach hurts.
Perfect. Short, simple sentences are clear for doctors.
Now, James, what kinds of questions do doctors usually ask?
We often ask, when did it start? How bad is the pain on a scale of 1 to 10? Have you taken any medicine?
And if you don't understand the question, you can always say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?" Or, "I'm not sure what that means."
Exactly. That's very natural and polite.
Now, imagine the doctor wants to check something. They might say, "Please open your mouth. Take a deep breath. Let me check your blood pressure."
And you can reply with, "Okay," or "Sure."
Very simple, right?
Yes, and polite.
So, James, let's say you're giving me a diagnosis.
Based on your symptoms, I think you have a mild infection. I'll give you a prescription for antibiotics.
Okay, pause here. The word prescription means the paper the doctor gives you so you can buy medicine from the pharmacy.
That's right. And the doctor might also say, "Take this medicine twice a day," or "You should get plenty of rest and drink water."
At the end of the visit, the doctor might say, "Come back in a week if you don't feel better," or "Schedule a follow-up appointment."
And the patient can say, "Thank you, doctor," or "I really appreciate your help."
Okay, let's review some key words and phrases. Appointment. Walk in. What brings you in? Prescription. Follow-up.
And don't forget useful sentences like, "I have a headache." "My stomach hurts." Can you repeat that?
All right, let's do a short, full conversation. First, slowly.
"Hello, doctor."
How are you today? What brings you in?
"I've had a cough for 2 days."
Do you have a fever?
"Yes, a little."
I'll give you some medicine. Please rest and drink lots of water.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care. Now, let's repeat it at normal, natural speed.
If you're learning English, don't worry about using perfect grammar at the doctor's office. The most important thing is to be clear.
Yes, use short sentences. And don't be afraid to repeat yourself if the doctor doesn't understand. All right, that's the end of today's episode, English at the Doctor. We hope this helps you feel more confident next time you need to visit a clinic.
And remember, practice speaking out loud. The more you practice, the easier it gets.
If you enjoyed this podcast, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more real English conversations.
Take care, everyone, and see you next time.